Good morning. So today we are gonna actually ride. It's not raining. It's a bit cloudy, and so yeah, we've come to meet lovely people coming to ride. So yeah, that was just from the Facebook group. So if you are in Mallorca and you want to ride, leave a comment. We'll be riding tomorrow as well. So maybe you'll not see this again. Anyway, yeah, I had a bit of a faff this morning. I say a faff, a bit of an accident. So I'm in so much pain. I wasn't sure even if I was going to ride. The audio is probably crap, and I'll let me explain. Very briefly, I went into the toilet and we've got mats. It's tiled floor, and the floor was wet, and someone's moved the mat, and I've just slipped straight on my back, smashed my camera, smashed my side on the B-day, and I'm in so much pain. And so the microphone's completely broken, so it just smashed straight off the camera. So luckily the camera's not broken, but I'm in quite a lot of pain. So yeah, I had a little cry, and then I was like, do I still ride? So I'm going to ride and see how I get on. So but yeah, so let's go meet some people. So you all ready to ride?
Yeah.
You ready to go? You'll be fine, we'll be fine. I'm taking it really steady. My side is so painful, so yeah.
Hopefully those tablets.
I've had paracetamol, so hopefully
Let's hope so.
it will be better. But have you done this one before? No. You're in for a treat. And it's not too hot actually. I think if it's really scorching it would be pretty brutal.
Which way's that wind blowing?
It's what, sorry?
Which way's the wind blowing? Is it going to help us?
I don't think we've got that much wind to be honest. I think we'll be alright compared to the last few days.
That way, isn't it? I think it'd be nice going out.
Yeah.
It's not that good.
But we're going up that way. So yeah.
Twisty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
Twisty, climby. Right. Let's look at your giant. It's almost like mine, look! Trusty giant.
Yeah,
A little
it's
red giant. Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
So we've made it up to the lighthouse, and the sun has finally come out, so I'll show you the lovely view, which you will have seen from last year, but I'll show you again anyway. But it's absolutely rammed full of cars and people and cyclists.
Goats.
The goats, yeah, definitely some goats. Oh god, there's actually one there. We were feeding it bananas last year, so we can have a look at him. Look at this goat. Hello. So yeah, my back is, I don't want to moan. My back, my side is so painful. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? But yeah, we took a really nice steady ride up, so I might just go and rest it this afternoon, to be honest. First time out in the sun, and I'm damaged. But yeah, I'm grateful. Grateful for the weather and the climbs and the bike and yeah. Some pictures. So that's the first time you've both done it? And what did you think to it?
I've been here.
Oh, so you've already done it?
Yeah.
What do you think to it? Yes.
Yeah. I'm just thinking about going for a woods and way about that. So.
Yeah. Have you not done it then, Calabria?
You haven't done last year.
You did it last year?
No, you.
No, have you?
No, my friends, I never have been here.
Oh,
You have to,
have to try it.
100%. You have to, everyone does. Everyone goes
All out.
100%.
All out effort. I mean, Manchester is the place of...
Got Manchester.
As if that's a place. Let's have a look, Anthony. Show me. Where? No way! How did you get that on there?
I asked for it.
From where? Oakley?
Yeah.
And Oakley just went, yeah, that's fine, we'll go vegan on it. Oh. It's because it's you, Anthony. They can't say no to that lovely smile. They're like, we can't say no. We'll head down. That was it was just a bit of a sketchy descent because just climbing, like look at all these cars, there's cars everywhere. People starting, people stopping, so it's not the... I feel like I'm being a bit grumpy in this video. I don't mean to be. But yeah, I think we've just left it a little bit too late in the day to come out. So yeah, we're going to head down and get a brew somewhere. It's just mad, it's chaos. Seen a bit anyway. At least it's not raining, at least the weather's nice. And we're with some lovely people. well, I will see you all tomorrow. Don't know what time. We'll figure out what the weather's doing and then we'll...
Tomorrow, is it?
Yeah. You're not going to know and you'll be like, what is this climb?
better be good.
What is this? Yeah, no, it'll be good. It'll be good. So nice to meet you all. Thank you for coming to ride.
Thanks for organising.
No worries.
I've never seen so many vegans in one.
You should have come to Thailand. It was insane, wasn't it? So it's much later in the afternoon now, and I think it's about 4 o'clock. We've come back, but we've decided that we're going to go back out again because the weather is just too nice not to head out. So I really hope this you can hear me okay without the mic. Ooh, R.I.P. mic. So yeah, heading out now. But I'm going to take my GoPro because my back is still sore, and where the camera is hanging on my back, that's where the pain is. So please forgive me that it's GoPro footage. It should be fine though because it's nice and sunny. So yeah. Here's Anthony, looking cool.
Yes, getting ready to get back out again.
Yeah.
So this time it's like a 60k loop
Yeah.
this afternoon. Probably 3-4 hours maybe.
Nah, it'll be 3, I reckon.
3 hours.
7k climbing it, and then we'll be fine.
Oh, that's fine then. So
In this weather, it is pretty nice.
So there is a vegan cafe that we will pass.
I think it'll be closed. Yeah, it's called Ruta Verde, but I think it'll be closed.
Oh, okay.
They have smoothies and bagels and next time.
Yeah.
Next time. Boo boo boo.
Okay, so we've got Katy that puts into action all the tips that she's been providing on YouTube. Just helping some girls that we find.
She's an angel.
Yes.
Truly.
Well done, Katy.
So we're just riding past, and there were 2 girls at the side of the road, and they were messing with the wheel. I was like, "Are you okay?" And they were like, yeah, we're fine. Just had 3 punctures in the last few minutes. And then I carried on, and I was like, nah, there's something with either the rim or the tyre, that's something not right. And we stopped. Oh, they were so grateful. We've taught them, me and Anthony. Oh,
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, oh God, this is getting a bit steep, this bit. Getting easy again. So my tip is always stop when you see someone. You never know. They say they're all right, but you never know. And basically there was, what we found, there was the brake had rubbed the tyre wall and created 2 little holes. And so I reckon that was pinching. Well, Anthony found it actually. And that was pinching, so we basically put in some like a Cliff Bar wrapper that will hopefully hold it until we get home. Greetings, it is, that's why I'm whispering because it's quite late and everyone is going to bed. But I just got to the end of editing my video and I realised it's just kind of a bit of an abrupt ending. We're just descending and then it would be the end of the video. So I just wanted to come on and say that, yeah, it was a really good day and it was so nice riding with those of you that came and joined on our group ride. So yeah, I really enjoyed that. So yeah, looking forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. And yeah, I felt like watching it back, I felt like I was a little bit mardy about my side where I fell, and I don't want to sound like a mad ass, but I am a mad ass when I'm in pain or when I'm ill or whatever, and so just apologies for that. I feel a little bit better actually. I've had some ibuprofen, I've had some paracetamol, and hopefully just a bit of rest and some ice on it is going to make it better. I just felt a bit frustrated, I think, because the sun finally came out and I just felt a little bit sore riding, but it'll be fine, it will heal. The microphone can be replaced. I'm just going to buy a new one when I get back. It's just money. It just comes with doing YouTube, I guess. Stuff's going to break, and yeah. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to be doing more regular videos while I'm out in Mallorca, so it will be more than the regular Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So yeah, keep an eye out for those. There will be more videos, and yeah, that's it. I'm so tired. I'm ready for bed. But yeah, the sunshine has been so good today. Very grateful to be here in the lovely Mallorca. So yeah, I will see you for another video maybe tomorrow.